is crackling, silver voices begin to sigh.
In the stone corners, the dwarves drink. They beat the drums, making the ground tremble.
Steel strings and a pulsing bass. The whole hall rises dancing. Humans, elves in a deep embrace. Forget the shadows that cover the world. Started to magic in the sound in the tavern of the end. The world is good, the war outside cannot enter. This is the night to celebrate.
Open smiles, mugs in the air. I stop noticing the weight of the sword.
I spin in the middle of the light track, guided by the rhythm that leads us.
The bonfire gives way, the flame dwindles, the sound of laughter begins to fade. I bid farewell and peace to the enchanting night.
I climb the stairs, leaving my corner. I close the bedroom door slowly. The soft silence embraces me.
I awaken the armor laid on the floor.
Tomorrow I resume my mission, but tonight will shine the memory of the elves singing. Centers tight, hidden magic in the sound in the tavern of the end. Rest is good.